On February the 10th, 2009, the Wellcome Trust Conference Centre near Cambridge was the venue for our 9th annual Optimise IT conference. The aim of the conference this year, as with others, was to ensure our clients received a large choice of breakout sessions and compelling keynote speeches, as well as the unique opportunity for technology developer, integrator, service provider and end user to meet and share information, experiences and opinions, and make plans for the future. Having grown over the years to fulfill our many clients' needs, this is now probably the largest and most prestigious independent event of its kind in the UK. Optimise IT attracts professionals from around the country and satisfies a growing industry-wide demand for up-to-date information on IT trends. This year, the morning's keynote presentations addressed some of the delegates' main IT challenges.
This year, unfortunately, is driving costs out of the IT infrastructure, and every pound's a prisoner this year with the credit crunch. We are currently looking at how we can maximise benefits for less.
In the first session, James Akrigg explained how Microsoft is declaring war on the cost of implementing and maintaining sophisticated IT infrastructures. The focus of the presentation was unified communications and messaging, what Microsoft term business intelligence, and Hyper-V, their contribution to the world of desktop virtualization.
Thinking about how to cut down cost of ownership, cost of support, because the PC is a wonderful thing, but it's a devil of a thing to support. And I'm just trying to find ways to make sure that we do more with the same or more with less, in fact.
In session 2, Mark Dolman explained how his company makes large-scale, centrally managed virtual OS application and security provision cost-effective and highly desirable.
The biggest concerns we have is probably in terms of the integrity of our data and our systems. We've got a big concern that if a system was to fail, we wouldn't be able to recover it very quickly, and therefore clients would lose confidence in us.
WebSense's Director of Product Management, Owen Farrer, delivered a sobering presentation on the perils of ignoring the threats posed by inadequate email, data and web security.
I'm particularly interested in what the NetApp technology. It's a technology that I've been keeping an eye on for a number of years now.
And in the final keynote of the morning, Matt Watts of NetApp explained the role tiered, clustered and fully redundant storage systems can play in managing IT infrastructures cost-effectively. In all, 40 manufacturers contributed to the success of Optimise IT 09, including iGel, Marathon, Dell and SanDisk. Without them, the varied lineup of breakout sessions on offer, all 54 of them, wouldn't have been possible, nor would we have had all the events exhibits and product demonstrations. At EACS, we understand that our clients inhabit a fast-moving world.
Probably the biggest issue within IT is trying to cope with the speed at which it moves, keep track of exactly what we're doing today, where things are going, and try and stay ahead of the game.
We listen and learn before we show and tell, and that's why Optimise IT is all about our clients and the tools they rely on.
We find the event very useful for bringing ourselves up to speed with technologies that are on the marketplace. My senior colleagues as well like to attend when possible, unfortunately not this year.
From today's Optimise event, I hope to take away a series of questions more than anything else.
Probably the most important thing to take away from today is ideas and contacts.
I find with events like Optimise, it's a great way to get an awful lot of information in a condensed space of time. With busy calendars like everybody's got, it's very difficult to find the time to go out there, do the research, talk to suppliers. This is a great way to very quickly and easily get to talk to a lot of people in a very short space of time.
I was very impressed with the Citrix lineup that they've got this year. Citrix accounts for about 50% of my 1,200 users. Been very static for the last 5-6 years. What I'm hoping to do is take that renewed interest, sell it on into the company, and hopefully try and refresh Citrix again.
Plans for Optimise IT 2010 are already underway. Do you have any ideas? What are your areas of interest? What would you like sessions to cover? Get in touch. After all, the event's whole purpose is to help you make informed decisions and prepare the right IT strategies. Our email address is information@eacs.com. Our telephone number is 0845 3379 146.